Hi all, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this quick and practical tutorial, we will learn how to insert blank space in Microsoft Word correctly and professionally. Blank spacing is essential for clean layouts, forms, assignments, resumes, certificates and design-based documents. Many users press the spacebar repeatedly or hit enter multiple times, which often breaks formatting and alignment. In this video we will learn smart and accurate way to create blank space without damaging your document structure. So let's get started. We can see here assignment. Now I want to create space to this document using very creative way. Go to the home menu, then click the paragraph setting option, then go to the tabs. Now I create the tabs tops 5, then click OK, then press tab on your keyboard and we can see we added the blank space here. You can write anything. Now I am write backspace. Otherwise you can again create this. Go back again and go to the tabs. You can make 2, then press again tab. Here the space is some small. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.